Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to me. Uh, uh, Before I presentation, I will introduce myself again. My name is Muhammad Dadis. You can call me Dadis. My name is 2110118110019. Okay. In this presentation, I will explain 10 vocabulary. First is addition. Addition is the addition or in bahasa is penjumlahan. And description is addition is the addition of a group of number or more into a number called the sum. Okay. Second is subtraction. Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing an object from a collection, atau in bahasa pengurangan. Three, multiplication, or in bahasa is perkalian. Multiplication is a mathematical operation of scaling one number by another. Okay. Four, division. Division is a basic arithmetic process in which a number is evenly divided into smaller number according to its divisor. Or in bahasa is pembagian. Okay. Fifth, integer. Integer is a number system which is the set of all non-fractional number consisting of negative integer, zero, and positive integer. Or in bahasa is bilangan bulat. Okay. Next. Six, fraction. Fraction is a number in mathematics which is expressed as a per b, where a is the numerator and b is the denominator. Okay. Atau in bahasa is pecahan. Seven, numerator. The number that is above the dividing line is called the numerator. Okay. Numerator in bahasa is pembilang. 8, denominator. The number at the bottom is called denominator. Or in bahasa is penyebut. 9, highest common factor. The same factor of a two or more number that have the greatest value is the highest common factor, or in bahasa is faktor persekutuan terbesar. 10, least common multiply, or in bahasa is the smallest multiple of the same of a number. Faktor persekutuan terkecil. Okay. Next, there are 10 examples for this. First, addition. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 8 times 5 is equal to 4. Or 40 is a multiplication. Division is example for 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. Integer is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and blah, 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 as a integer. Okay. Fraction. The fraction is 7 per 8, or we can call 7 above 8. Okay. Numerator, 5 per 8. 5 is called the numerator. Denominator, 8 is called the denominator, is above this. Okay. Example for FBB and Kapika. Okay, this is a question. 24, 30, and 36. We can to know how much FBB and Kapika. We can divide it by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Divided by 2 is 3. It is 3 factor. Okay, and this is the factorial. Not the I'm sorry, not factorial, but this factor from 24 to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 and 30 is 2 times 3 times 5, like this. And 36 is 2 quadrant times 3 quadrant is the factor. And then we can know the FAB with this 2 and 3 at the same value is 6, and K3 is the least common factor. So a cubic times 3 cubic times 3 quadratic and times 5 is equal to 360. Okay, next slide. The word problem video. The question is, Charles bought 5 apples that cost 47 cents each. He paid with a $5 bill. How much cents did Charles receive? Okay. Solution video. What we know in the question is 1 apple is equal to 47 cents. And Charles bought 5 apples. He paid with a $5. Asked in this question, how much did Charles receive? Answer. 5. He bought 5 apples. Is the 5 times 47 cents is equal to 235 cents, and $5 is equal to 500 cents. Okay. And then to find out how much Charles cents, we can use subtraction. 500 minus 235 is equal to 265 cents. And then we can convert to the dollars. 265 cents we can convert to dollar is $2.65. Okay. Next, example 10. Question is, in order to prepare for an international wrestling, Jim had to bring his weight to under 80 kilograms. He currently weight is 200 pounds and begins a program in which he lost 2.5 pounds per week. In how many weeks will he reach the required weight? Okay. The solution of the example 10. What we know, 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. Currently weight is 200 pounds. And he lost 2.5 pounds per week. And then Jim had to bring his weight to under 80 kilograms. How many weeks will he reach the required? Answer. First, we can convert the kilograms to pound for the same pounds, because the in the question is pounds. Okay. Kilogram, we can convert the to pounds. We can by multiplication, 2.2 pounds per kilogram is equal to 176 pounds. And then the difference of the currently weight and the standard is 200 pounds minus 176 pounds is equal to 24 pounds. And then 24, the difference is 24 pounds. To know how many weeks, we can divide it by 2.5 pounds per week. And then we can get the 9.6 week or 10 weeks, and then you will reach the required within the next 10 weeks. Okay. Next question, example 13. The human body maintains a normal temperature of 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. If a person develops a fever with a 3 degrees temperature increase above normal, what would be the Celsius reading on thermometer to the nearest tenth? Okay. Solution example 13. What we know in the question, what we know is The formula for Fahrenheit is 1.8 Celsius plus 32 Fahrenheit. The currently temperature is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Temperature increase above the normal, it's 3 degrees. Asked in the question, what would be the Celsius reading on thermometer to the nearest tenth? First, we can addition the current temperature and the temperature increase to know the new Fahrenheit. Okay, the new Fahrenheit will be 101.6 degree Fahrenheit because 98.6 Fahrenheit degree Fahrenheit plus 3 degree is equal to 101.6 degree Fahrenheit. And then to know the reading, to know Celsius reading on a thermometer, we can use the formula. Okay, we can input the number Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 Celsius plus 32 Fahrenheit is the formula, and then input the number 101.6 minus 32 is equal to 1.8. This is a subtraction, and then is equal to 69.6 is equal to 1.8 Celsius. We can divide the both side by 1.8 to know 1 Celsius how much. Celsius 1 Celsius is equal to 1 Celsius by divided by 1.8 is Celsius, and then 69.6 divided by 1.8 is equal to 38.66 degree Celsius, and then the Celsius reading on the thermometer to the nearest 10 is 38.7 degrees Celsius because we can round it up 66 to 7. Okay. Example 14. Jim wants to buy several compact discs or CDs. The music store was having a sale that reduced the price by 15%. He selected 3 CDs that cost $12.99, and one that cost is $9.99. How much would the purchase cost if sales tax is 1.2% or 8.5%? Okay, the solution for example 14, the formula, what we know, discounted price is equal to original price minus discount times original price, and total cost is equal to price plus tax plus times price. Discount is 50% or is equal to 0.15, and tax is 81% or equal to 0.085. 3 CDs that cost $12.99. 1 CDs that cost $9. 3 CDs that cost $12.99. 1 CDs that cost $9.99. Asked in the question, how much would this purchase cost if sales tax is 8.5%? Answer. To know total cost of the CDs, we can use the multiplication and addition this 3 times $12.99 plus 1 times $9.99, and then we get the total of the CDs is $48.96. $48 and 96 cents. Using the formula to find a new price, the new price it mean discount is equal to $48.96 minus open bracket the discount 0.15 minus the original price is $48.96, and then we get the discount price. It is $41.62, and then using the second formula, this total cost, we can determine the total cost. The total cost with the tax, okay, is $41.62 plus open bracket tax times price. It is $41.62 times the tax is 0.085, and then the total cost would be $45.16. Okay. The next example 15. Samantha has been working as a babysitter and has $540 collected. She decided to invest this money in a fund that predicts an interest rate of 8 to 11%. What could she expect to happen to her original investment after 1 year? Solution of example 15. What we know, Samantha has 540 collected, an interest rate of 8 to 11%. The formula for interest earned is equal to principal times interest times rate. Principal times interest rate times number of year, or V times R times T. The total amount is principal plus interest earned. Asked in the question, what could she expect to happen to her original investment after 1 year? Answer. What we know in the question, at least Samantha would receive 8% interest. This would result is 500. We can use the formula interest earned. 540 times 0.8 times 1, because 1 year, is equal to $43.20. At the most, Samantha would receive 11% interest. This would result in interest is equal to 540 times 0.11 times 1 is equal to $59.40. Using the total amount is equal principal plus interest, she would have saved between $583 and 20 cents and $599.40. That's enough for my presentation. I hope you enjoy my video, and then thank you for watching, and see you next video next week. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.